Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button and leave down below a comment of any other fun activities you'd like to see here or a how-to. Also, if you had any math problems that you may need help with, I'd love to give a tutorial. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is we were working with the letter O in the alphabet, and we're going to be creating an octopus. So we're going to do a handprint octopus, which will just involve your toddler's hands. So that's going to be the hands-on part. A little bit of paint, some googly eyes if you want to make it more on the fun side and have them add those for the octopus eyes. And then some markers if you want to really create the ocean vibe after everything is dried and ready to go. There's not too much of a tutorial for this one. It'll just be more of showing you with the toddler because it is all going to be using his hands to make the octopus, but you're simply going to want to be able to paint all four and then kind of overlap your thumbs for the main inner part of the body, and then they'll have the 8 legs for the octopus. Once that all dries, you can do the googly eyes for the eyeballs, maybe add a little mouth, smiley face, whatever you want to do. And then you could always create like an ocean side theme and talk about what octopus is, maybe some fun facts about octopus, working with the letter O, making the sound of O, all that good stuff. So I'll go ahead and end it here and show a little clip with my toddler. As always, have a great day.
Mama, what are we doing?
We're gonna make an octopus. Octopus with 8 legs.
So
you're gonna do hands like this. Boop, boop. Can you do that on the paper? You'll do one's gonna be way up here like that, then your other hand's gonna go like that. You ready? So we're gonna paint. So,
Just called googly eyes.
Those are the googly eyes, aren't they?
It's not like that.
Yeah, remember when we put googly eyes on our spider? That's fun, huh?
That
was fun. Well, go ahead and put the googly eyes here, because we're gonna put this on right after we paint both of your hands. So let's pull up these sleeves a little bit. Other side. What color is this paint?
That one is blue.
Oh, close. It's purple.
Yeah.
We're doing purple. Okay, so I'm going to use this hand. Ready? Can we say octopus?
Octopus.
Octopus. Octopus starts with the letter O. Oh, good job. Did you know that octopus has 8 legs? 8 legs? Is that crazy?
Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
They have 8. Drop. 1, 2, 3, lift up. All right. Did you also know that an octopus has 3 hearts?
Yeah, 3 hearts.
3 hearts. Is that crazy?
Yeah.
We have 1 heart. 1 big heart. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Woohoo! All right. So then, you silly. Oh my goodness.
I just want to do another one.
Another one. So now you have your googly eyes.
I gotta turn around.
Oh, well, these are the legs. So you're going to actually put your 2 eyeballs right here. Can you grab your first googly eye? Here you go. And while our paint's still wet, you can just use it as glue. Other eyes can go right next to it. Perfect. Push it in. Yay! We have our
Octopus.
octopus.